Something is changing in the tech industry right now. Companies are moving away from traditional DevOps teams, and they are building something called platform engineering instead. This shift is creating some of the highest paying engineering roles available today. Let me explain what is happening and how you can position yourself to benefit. In 2026, companies have realized that asking developers to manage their own infrastructure is slow and expensive. Platform engineering solves this problem. Platform engineers build internal tools that make other developers faster and more productive. Think of it as creating a self-service system, so developers can deploy, monitor, and scale apps without waiting for support. Companies like Spotify, Netflix, and Airbnb pioneered this approach. Now businesses of all sizes around the world are following their lead. What does a platform engineer actually do? You build internal platforms using tools like Kubernetes, Terraform, and cloud services. You create standardized, automated workflows, sometimes called golden paths. You design developer portals so teams can work independently. Your job is to make other engineers' lives easier. The key skills you need are infrastructure as code, using tools like Terraform or Pulumi, Kubernetes and container orchestration, CI/CD automation, cloud platforms, whether that is AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure, and most importantly, a product mindset focused on developer experience. If you are already a full-stack developer, you have around 60% of the skills needed. If you are in DevOps, you are even closer. The main shift is thinking like a product builder, not just an operator. Salary ranges vary by location, but platform engineers are among the top earners in tech globally. In many markets, senior roles pay between $200,000 and $280,000 annually. Platform engineering is where DevOps meets product development. Companies worldwide are investing heavily in building these teams. We have created a comprehensive platform engineering learning path that takes you from infrastructure basics to building production-grade developer platforms. The link is in the description. Hit subscribe if you want to stay ahead of tech career trends before they become mainstream.